Hello students, I am Shuchishmita. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn and Travel with Shuchishmita. Today I will read you the trigonometrical ratio of standard angles. This is the second chapter of trigonometry. Okay, so now first we remember once again the previous chapter. In previous chapter we saw trigonometrical ratio. Okay, so what is trigonometrical ratio? The ratio of two sides is trigonometrical ratio. Here you see, you already know the sine theta. This is the angle theta. This is the reference angle theta. Okay, so we know sine theta equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is the opposite side of right angle. This is AC. So the ratio of two sides, perpendicular AB and hypotenuse AC, the ratio of two sides is here we know trigonometrical ratio. Okay. Here in this chapter we take only the standard angles. Okay, these are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, here we don't take all angles, we only take the standard angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so in this chapter, okay, we will learn ratio of standard angles and we also learn the trigonometry table. So first we see the trigonometry table. Okay, now we draw a table. First we take sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec and sec. Okay, so first here we take 0 degree, then 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so we will make a table. Okay, so first we see the first we will find out the sine table. Okay, now you see, you take only 0 by 4. For the angle 0 degree we take 0 by 4. Okay, then first we take 0. Here 0, this 30 angle is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Now we take in denominator 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. Now we take square root. Okay, so here you see, you get this is 0 and this is 1 by root 4 is 1 by 2. Square root of 4 is 2. And if we simplify, then we will get 1 by 2. So this is 1 by root 2. And this is root 3 by 2. Okay, and we will simplify this. 4 by 4, 4 upon 4 is 1. So this is 1. So first we find out the sine table. So sine 0 is here 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Okay. Sine 44 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is 1. Okay. For sine table. Okay. If we get the value of sine, okay, then we will easily get other table. Okay. You see here, to remember easily, you see here, the sine is reverse of cos. Okay. Here you see sine 0 is 0. So cos 90 will be 0. Okay. Here sine 90 is 1. Then cos 0 is 1. Sine 30 1 by 2. Cos 60 will be 1 by 2. Sine 60 root 3 by 2. Then cos 30 is root 3 by 2. And sine 45, the value of sine 45 and cos 45 is equal. So we can write 1 by root 2 sine 45 and cos 45 will be 1 by root 2. Okay. So how to remember easily? So sine and cos is reverse to each other. Okay. So sine 30 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2. Sine 60 root 3 by 2, then cos 30 root 3 by 2. Okay. And sine 0 0, then cos 90 0. Sine 91, cos 0 degree is 1. Okay. And sine 45 and cos 45 is equal. Now you see tan. We know tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta is sin 0 is here 0 and cos 0 1. So 0 by 1 is 0. Now sin 30 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Here you see 1 by 2. This will be change here 2 by root 3. So this value will be 1 by root 3. Okay. So this value is 1 by root 3. Now tan 45. So this is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. So this will be 1. And 60, tan 60, this is root 3 by 2 and by 1 by 2. So we can write root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. So 2 is cancelled, then we will get root 3. So the value of tan theta is root 3. Okay. And tan 90 1 by 0, we know 1 by 0 is not defined, infinite. Okay. Infinite. This is not defined. Okay. Now we know cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Okay. So tan 0 0, then cot 0 will be, this is 0 by 1 and this is 1 by 0. So this will be not defined. Cot 30 1 by root 3, tan 30 1 by root 3, cot 30 will be root 3, reciprocal of tan theta. This will be 1 and this is 1 by root 3, and this will be tan 90 will be 0. Okay. Now cosec. We know cosec is reciprocal of sin theta. Okay. So cosec 0 is 0. Okay. Sorry, cosec 0 will be 0 by 0. This is not defined. Okay. Now 0 by 0 we know not defined, infinite. So cosec 0 is infinite. Now cosec 30 is reciprocal of sin 30, so this will be 2. Cosec 45 root 2. Cosec 60 2 by root 3, and cosec 90 will be 1. Now sec theta, sec 0. So sec is reciprocal of cos. So here you see 1 by 1, this will be 1. Here you see sec 30 2 by root 3. This is root 2. Sec 60 is 2 and sec 90 is reciprocal of cos. So 0 by 0 is not defined. This is infinite. Okay. So this is the trigonometry table. Okay. This is the trigonometry table. This is very important table. You see the chapter 23a. Okay. You remember all time this table. Okay. So now we will start the chapter 23a. Okay. First question you see. So after starting this chapter, now we'll see. Here you see when the angle is increased, then the value of sine will be increased. Okay. Here you see sine 0 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 90 1. This value is increase. Sine value, sine increase from 0 to 1 when the angle increase. Okay. Now cos value, when the angle increase from 0 to 90, then cos value is decrease. Here you see this value is cos 0 is 1, 30 degree, root 3 by 2, 45, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 90 0. This cos value is decrease when the angle increase from 0 to 90. For tan you see this value, the angle, when the angle is increase, then cos value increase. Here 0, this is 1 by root 3, this is 1 and this is root 3 and this is infinite. Okay. So here you see when the angle decrease, for tan theta angle decrease, then the value of tan is decrease, not defined, infinite to 0. Okay. Now here you see all the denominator in for sine are weak than the numerator. Okay, but here you see sine 90 is 1. Here we know sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here perpendicular and hypotenuse are equal. Then the value of sine 90 is equal. So how do I define this value? How do I define? Okay. So now this angle 90 and this is theta. Okay. So we know sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here perpendicular AB and hypotenuse is AC. Okay. So here you see when the angle increase, then hypotenuse decrease. If we take this hypotenuse, here angle is increase here. Okay. If we going on, then we will see this is the hypotenuse. Okay. Now this will be last hypotenuse AB. Okay. So for the angle 90, AB is here hypotenuse. Okay. Now you see if we take AB is 1, perpendicular is 1, then hypotenuse is here 1. So sine 90 degree will be 1. Okay. Now here you see 3 laws. Okay. First law is here sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. This is most important laws. You must remember these laws. Okay, sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. Now cosec square A minus cot square A equals to 1. Then sec square A minus tan square A equals to 1. You must remember, okay, these laws. Okay. Now we start the chapter 23A. Okay. So first question, find the value of sin 30 cos 30. Okay. First question, you see sin 30 cos 30. We know sin 30 value is here 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2. Okay. So we will get root 3 by 2. The 2 is 4. Now question number 2, tan 30 tan 60. So we know tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and tan 60 is root 3. Okay. So we will put the value of tan 30 1 by root 3, tan 60 root 3. Root 3 cancel, then we will get 1. Now question number 3, cos square 60 degree plus sin square 30 degree. Okay, so cos 60 we know 1 by 2 whole square plus sin 30 we know 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, so 1 by 2 whole square we can write 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So here LCM is 4, then 4 by 4 is 1, 1 the 1, 1 plus is here 4 by 4 1, 1 1 the 1. So 1 plus 1 2 by 4. Now we simplify, then we will get 1 by 2. So this value will be 1 by 2. Now question number 4. Cosec square 60 minus tan square 30 degree. Okay, so cosec 60 we know 2 by root 3. Okay, cosec 60 you see here 2 by root 3. Okay, 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 30 we know 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, so 1 by root 3 whole square. So 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square 1, root 3 square is 3. Okay, here LCM is 3. So 3 by 3 is 1. So 4 1s are 4 minus 3 by 3 1, 1 into 1 1. Okay, so this is 3 by 3. This will be 1. Now question number 5. Sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree plus cot square 45 degree. So sin 30 we know 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square plus cot 45 we know 1. Here you see the table, cot 45 is 1. Okay, so 1 square. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Now root 3 square 3, 2 square 4 plus 1. Here LCM is 4, 4 by 4 1, 1 into 1 1 plus 4 by 4 1, 1 3, 1 3 is a 3 plus 1. So we can write here 3 plus 1 is 4 by 4 plus 1. 4 by 4 is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Okay, now question number 6. Cos square 60 degree plus sec square 30 degree plus tan square 45 degree. Okay, so cos 60 degree we know 1 by 2 whole square. Sec 30 degree we know 2 by root 3 whole square plus tan 45 1 square. So 1 by 2 square is 4 plus 2 square 4 by root 3 square is 3 plus 1. Here LCM is 4 into 3 12. So 12 by 4 is here 3. 3 the 1 is 3 plus 3. 12 by 3 is 4. 4 4 the is 16. Okay, plus 1. So 16 plus 3 19 by 12 plus 1. Here LCM 12, 19 plus 12 into 1 12. This is 31 by 12. Okay. Now question number 2. Find the value of this first question. You see, tan square 30 degree plus tan square 45 degree plus tan square 60 degree. Okay, so we know tan 30 1 by root 3 whole square plus tan 45 is 1 plus tan 60 is root 3 whole square. Okay, so this is 1 by 3, this is plus 1 plus root 3 square is 3. So we can write 3 plus 1 is 4, and here LCM 3 by 3 is 1, 3 upon 3 1, 1 1 is 1 plus 4 3 is 12. So this value will be 13 by 3. So here we divide 13 by 3, 3 4 is 12, 1. So we can write 4 1 upon 3. Okay, now question number 2. Tan 45 degree by cosec 30 degree plus sec 60 degree by cot 45 degree minus 5 sin 90 by 2 cos 0 degree. So we know tan 45 is 1, cosec 30 is 2 plus sec 60 is 2, cot 45 is 1 minus 5 into sin 90 is, we know sin 90 is 1, 2 into cos 0 is 1. Okay, so this is 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1, we can write 2 minus this is 5 by 2. Okay, so here LCM is 2. 2 by 2 is 1, 1 1 is 1 plus 2 2 is 4 minus 2 by 1 1 1 5 is 5. So this 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 5 by 2. This will be 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay. Now question number 3. 3 sin square 30 degree sin square 30 degree plus 2 tan square 60 degree minus 5 cos square 45 degree. Okay, so we know sin 30 is 1 by 2 square plus 2 into tan 60 is, we know, root 3 square minus 5 into cos 45 1 by root 2 square. Okay, so 3 into, here you see 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus 2 into root 3 square is 3 minus 5 into root 2 square is 2. So this will be 3 by 4 plus 2 3 is 6 minus 5 by 2. Okay, so here LCM is 4 2 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. So 4 is LCM. So 4 by 4 is 1 into 3 3 plus 6 4 ja 24 minus 4 by 2 2 2 5 ja 10. So 24 plus 3 27 minus 10 by 4. So this will be 7 1 by 17 by 4. Okay. Now question number 3. Prove that this is 1. Left hand side. First we take left hand side is here. Sin 60. We have to prove the right hand side will be 1. Okay. Left hand side and right hand side is here equal. So now sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. This is left hand side. So we have to prove this will be this will equal to right hand side. So this value will be 1. Okay. Now we know, now we have to solve this term. So we know sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus cos 60 1 by 2 sin 30 1 by 2. Okay. So root 3 into root 3 will be 3. 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 1 1. 2 into 2 is 4. Now here LCM is 4. So 4 by 4 1. 1 3 is a 3 plus 4 by 4 1 1 1 is a 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4 by 4 is 1. Okay. This is right hand side. Proof. Now question number 2. Cos 30 cos 60 degree minus sin 30 degree sin 60 degree. We have to prove this term will be 0. Okay. This is left hand side. So we know cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 1 by 2 minus sin 30 1 by 2 sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is root 3. 2 into 4 4 minus this is root 3 by 4. So this is 0. This is right hand side. We have to prove right hand side is 0. So we prove. Okay. Now question number 3. Cosec square 45 degree minus cot square 45 degree. This will be 1. This is left hand side. So cosec 45 we know root 2 square minus cot 45 we know 1 square. So we can write root 2 square is 2 minus 1. So this is 1. Okay. Right hand side. Proof. Now question number 4. Cos square 30 degree minus sin square 30 degree. Okay. We have to prove this term will be cos 60. Okay. So this is left hand side. We know cos 30 is root 3 by 2 square minus sin 30 is 1 by 2 square. Here root 3 square is 3. 2 square 4 minus 1 by 4. LCM is here 4. 4 by 4 1 1 3 is 3 minus 4 by 4 1 1 1 is 1. So 3 minus 1 2 by 4. Now we have to simplify this term, then this will be 1 by 2. Okay. Now question number 5. tan 60 plus 1 by tan 60 minus 1 whole square. We have to prove this term will be 1 plus cos 30 degree by 1 minus cos 30 degree. Okay, so this is left hand side. Tan 60 we know root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 whole square. So we can write here root 3 plus root 3 into root 3 plus root 3 square, root 3 minus 1 root 3 minus 1. So root 3 plus 1 whole square is root 3. We can write root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1, and root 3 minus 1 square will be root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. So you see, root 3 into root 3 we can write 3, 1 into root 3 root 3, root 3 plus root 3 plus 1 will be root 3, and 1 into 1 will be 1. Okay, now here you see root 3 into root 3, this is 3. Okay, 1 into root 3, this is minus root 3. Okay, and root 3 into minus 1, this will be minus root 3 plus minus minus, and here you see minus 1 minus 1. Okay, minus 1 into minus 1 will be minus minus plus 1. Okay, so here we can write 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 root 3. Root 3 plus root 3 will be 2 root 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, minus root 3 will be minus 2 root 3. Okay, now we divide both the term by 4. Then we will get 4 by 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4 by 4 by 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4. So this will be 1 minus root 3 by 2 by 1 plus root 3 by 2. Okay, so we know root 3 by 2 is cos 30 degree. So we can write cos 30 degree by 1 plus root 3 by 2 cos of 30 degree. Now question number 6. 3 cosec square 60 degree minus 2 cot square 30 degree plus sec square 45 degree. This is left hand side. We have to prove this term will be 0. Right hand side. So here 3 into cosec 60. We know cosec 60 is 2 by root 3 whole square minus 2 into cot 30 root 3 square plus sec 45 we know root 2 square. So 3 into 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3, minus 2 into root 3 square is 3 plus root 2 square is 2. Okay, so 3 here cancel. We will get 4 minus 3 2 is 6 plus 2. Okay, so 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. This is right hand side proof. Okay, now question number 4. Prove that left hand side will be is equal to right hand side. Okay, so first question, sine of 2 into 30 degree. This is left hand side. So we know sine 2 into 30, we can write 60. Okay, we know sine 60 root 3 by 2. Now we will write right hand side. So right hand side is here 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Tan 30 we know 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 30 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay, so 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 square will be 1 by 3. So 2 by root 3, here LCM 3 into 1 3 plus 3 by 3 1 1 is 1. Okay, so this is 2 by root 3 by 3 plus 1 4 by 3. So 2 by root 3 into, we can write this term 4 by 3 is here 3 by 4. Now 2 is a 4. Okay, and we can write here root 3 into root 3 is 3. So this term will be root 3 by 2. Okay, we know root 3 by 2 is sine 60. Okay, so this is proved. Now question number 2. Cos of 2 into 30 degree. Okay, left hand side, so we can write cos 60. Cos 60 we know 1 by 2. Now right hand side is here 1 minus tan square 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Okay, so 1 minus tan 30 we know 1 by root 3 whole square by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. So we can write 1 minus 1 by root 3 square 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by root 3 square will be 1 by 3. So here LCM 3 1 is 3 minus 3 by 3 1 1 is 1 by 3 1 is 3 plus 3 by 3 1 is 1. So we can write this term 2 by 3 by 4 by 3. Okay, so 2 by 3, this term will be, this term is here, we can write 3 by 4, 3 cancel, 2 is 4, so this will be 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 cos of 60 degree. Okay, this is proved. Now question number 3. Tan of 2 into 30 degree. This is left hand side. Okay, so this is tan of 60 degree. We know tan 60 is root 3. Now right hand side is here 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Okay, 2 into tan 30 we know 1 by root 3, 1 minus tan 30 is 1 by root 3 square. So this is 2 by root 3. 1 minus 1 by root 3 you can write 1 by 3. So this is 2 by root 3. So LCM is here 3 into 1 3 minus 3 by 3 1 is 1. So we can write here 2 by root 3 minus 1 2 by 3. So 2 by root 3 Now this term is here change, then we can write 3 by 2, so 2 cancel, we will have 3 by root 3. So by rationalization method we can write 3 by root 3, so this is root 3, 3 root 3, root 3 into root 3, 3 cancel, this is root 3, so this will be tan 60 degree. Okay, now question number 5. See, ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. So we can draw a triangle ABC. B angle is here, right angle. So assuming AB equals to BC, AB and BC is equal. This is x and this is also x. Find the value of each of the following trigonometric ratios. First, we have to calculate sine of 45. Okay. So you see sine 45 here, given condition AB equals to BC equals to x, and ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, B angle is here 90 degree, right angle. So now sine 45, we know sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here perpendicular of this angle is 45. The opposite side of this angle is perpendicular. So here perpendicular AB and hypotenuse is AC, the opposite side of right angle. Okay, so here AB is, we know, x, and AC by Pythagoras theorem, you see, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write here AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So AB is here x square plus BC x square, so 2x square. Okay, so AC will be square root of 2x square, so this is root 2 into x, so AC is root 2 into x, so you can write root 2 into x is cancel, 1 by root 2. Okay, so sine 45 is 1 by root 2, you know. So first here you see the condition, given condition AB BC is here x, AB BC are equal, this is the isosceles right angle triangle, and B angle is here right angle. So now we have to calculate the value of AC, the hypotenuse. Okay, we already know the perpendicular AB. Okay, ABX, so we have to calculate AC. So by Pythagoras theorem we use here. Now AC square equals to AB square plus BC square, so ABX x square plus BCX x square, so 2x square. So AC is equals to square root of 2x square, so root 2 into x. Now we put the value of AB x and AC is root 2x, so x here cancel, then we will get 1 by root 2. Now question number 2, cos 45 degree. We know cos 45 is base by hypotenuse. So here base is BC, okay, by hypotenuse is AC. BC we know x and AC root 2 into x, so x cancel, then we will write here 1 by root 2. So cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2, you know. Now Question number 3. Tan 45. Tan 45 we know perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is here AB and base is here BC. So AB by BC. AB we know x, BC x, x cancel. Then we will get 1. Okay. Now question number 6. Prove that sin 60 degree equals to 2 sin 30 degree into cos 30 degree. Okay. Sin 60 we know root 3 by 2. This is left hand side. Now right hand side is here 2 sin 30 cos of 30. Okay. So sin 30 we know 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. So we will get root 3 by 2. So left hand side and right hand side is here equal. So we can write left hand side equals to right hand side. Okay. Now question number 2. 4 sin to the power 4 30 degree plus cos to the power 4 60 degree minus 3 cos square 45 degree minus sin square 90 degree. Okay, is equals to 2. So we have to prove this term is equal to 2. So 4 sin to the power 4 30 degree. Sin 30 we know 1 by 2 whole to the power 4. Okay, plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole to the power 4 minus 3 into cos 45 1 by root 2 whole square minus sin 90 we know 1 square. This is 1. So 4 1 to the power 4 1, 2 to the power 4 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. So this is 16 plus this will be 1 by 16 minus 3 1 by root 2 square 1 by 2 minus 1. So 4 here LCM is 16. So 16 by 16 1 1 1 is 1 plus 16 by 16 1 1 1 is 1 minus 3. So 2 is here LCM 2 by 2 1 1 1 is 1 minus 2 into here 2 into 1 is 2. So 4 into 1 plus 1 2 by 16 minus 3 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay. So 4 4 ja 16, 2 2 ja 4. So this is 1 by 2 minus minus here plus. So plus 3 by 2. Here LCM 2 2 by 2 1 1 1 is 1 plus 2 by 2 is here 1 1 3 is 3 1 plus 3 4 by 2. So this will be 2. We prove right hand side. Okay, this is proof. Okay, now question number 7. See, if sin x equals to cos x and x is acute angle, state the value of x. Okay, here sin x equals to cos x. Okay, now x is here acute angle. State the value of x. Okay, so here we know that sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1. Here we read here sin square x plus sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. Okay, this law we applied here. Okay, so sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1, we know. So now this implies we put the value of sin x, this is cos x, so cos square x plus cos square x, okay, equals to 1. So this imply 2 cos square x equals to 1. So this imply cos square x 1 by, this will shift in the right hand side, so we can write 2 is here division 1 by 2. Okay, so cos x is equals to 1 by square root of 1 by 2. So we can write, we know 1 by root 2 is cos of 45 degree. So x equals to 45 degree. Okay, now question number 2. Sec A equals to cosec A and 0 degree equals to 0 degree less than equals to A less than equals to 90 degree. So the value of angle A will be, the range of the value of angle A is 0 to 90. Okay, so now we can write here sec A, we know 1 by cos A. Okay, and cosec A we know sin A. Here the range of the angle A from 0 to 90. Okay, so now we can write here sin A, you see 1 into sin A, so we can write sin A equals to cos A into 1, so we can write cos of A. Okay, so now square in both sides, we will get sin square A equals to cos square A. Here square in both sides. Okay, so we get sin square A equals to cos square A. Now we know cos square sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. So we can write here cos square A equals to 1 minus sin square A. So we put cos square A is 1 minus sin square A. Okay, 1 minus sin square A. So sin square A minus sin square A, this will be shift on the left hand side. So we can write here sin square A equals to 1. Okay, so sin square A plus sin square A will be 2 sin square A equals to 1. Okay, so we can write sin square A equals to 1 by 2. So sin A equals to 1 by root 2. So this is sine of 45 degree. So A equals to sin here cancel. So we can write A equals to 45 degree. Okay, we have to prove the value of A. So the value of A is 45 degree. Now question number 3. Tan theta equals to cot of theta, and 0, the range of theta 0 to 90. Okay, the range of theta is here 0 to 90. So state the value of theta. We know cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Okay, so this implies tan theta into tan theta, this will be tan square theta equals to 1. Okay, so we can write tan theta equals to square root of 1. Okay, so this will be 1. So we know tan 1 is 45 degree. Okay, so theta, tan here cancel, theta equals to 45 degree. Now question number 4. Sin x equals to cos of y. Write the relation between x and y if both the angles x and y are acute angle. X and y are here acute angle. Okay, so we have to calculate the relation between x and y. So first you see, when the value of sine and cos is equal, if we take 45, at 45 sine 45 and cos 45 is here 1 by root 2. Now if we take x is 30 degree, then we can write sine 30 equals to sine 90 minus 60. We can write here sine 30 is equals to sine 90 minus 60. So we know sine 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, the value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. Now we know the cos value is reciprocal of sine value. Okay, so sine 30 is 1 by 2, then cos 60 will be 1 by 2. So sine 90 minus 60, we can write cos of 60. Okay, so this value is also 1 by 2. Okay, so here we see sine 30 equals to cos 60 degree. When we will learn the chapter 25 complementary angle, then this matter will be clear. Okay, we will see there. So sine theta equals to cos of 90 minus theta. Okay, now x is 60 degree, then we can write sine 60 degree equals to sine of 90 minus 30. We can write 60, 90 minus 30. So sine 90 minus 30, we can write cos of 30. Okay, so cos 30 we know root 3 by 2. We also know sine 60 root 3 by 2. So sine 60 equals to cos 30 degree. Now we can write sine of 90 minus 0 degree. So this is cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Okay, sine 90 is 1 we know. So sine 90 is cos 0 degree. Okay, so here we see sine 90 minus theta equals to cos of theta. Okay, so we will prove this question. Sin x equals to cos y. Write the relation between x and y. if both the angle x and y acute angle, then x and y for 40 degree, this will be 1 by root 2, and 30 degree sin 30 equals to cos 60, and sin 60 equals to cos 30. 90 degree for 90 degree sin 90 equals to cos 0. And another process, so here you see sin x equals to sin 90 minus y, so we can write this will be cos y. Okay, now another process, you will do this process. Okay, this process is, if sin x equals to cos y, then we can write sin of 90 minus y. Here you see, okay, sin 90 minus y equals to cos of y. Okay, cos y we can write sin 90 minus y. So sin here cancel, then we can write here x equals to 90 minus y. Okay, so x plus y minus y will be shift on the left hand side, then we will get x plus y equals to 90 degree. Okay, so the relation between x and y, these are complementary angle. Okay, so here we can write x and y are complementary angle. Here you see x 45, y 45, so x plus y will be 90. 45 plus 45, x and y are complementary angle. Here x 30 and y 60, so this will be x plus y equals to 90. This will be complementary angle. And here x 60, y 30, this is also 90. This is complementary angle, 60 and 30. Okay, and 90 and 0, here you see 90 plus 0 equals to 90, so 90 and 0 angle is complementary, okay, to each other. So here hence we can write here x and y are complementary to each other. Okay, you can prove this process, also you can prove this process. Okay, both are easy. Okay, so now question number 8. First question, you see sin x equals to cos y, then x plus y equals to 45 degree. Write true or false. Okay, so here you see we saw the sin x and cos y is equal, then x plus y equals to always 90 degree. We can write this term sin 90 minus y, so sin cancel, then x equals to 90 minus y, so x plus y equals to 90, so it's false. X plus y equals to 45 degree is never possible, always x plus y equals to 90 degree. Okay, if sin x equals to cos y. Now question number 2, sec theta dot cot theta equals to cosec theta. Write true or false. Okay, so we can write sec theta is, so sorry, first left hand side, sec theta dot cot theta. Sec theta we can write 1 by cos theta, reciprocal of cos theta. Cot theta we can write cos theta by sin theta. So cos theta cancel, then we will get 1 by sin theta. We know sin theta is reciprocal of cosec theta, so we can write cosec theta. Okay, now question number 3. For any angle theta, state the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta. So we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. We know this law. Okay, so here we can write 1 minus sin square theta. So sin square theta minus sin square theta is cancel, so we will get 1. Okay, so this is true. For any angle theta, state the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sorry, this is 1. Okay, we have to prove this will be 1. Okay, so question number 9. Now question number 9, state for any acute angle theta whether sin theta increase or decrease as theta increase. So here we saw in the table, when the angle increase, sin will be always increase. Okay, here you see the angle increase from 0 to 90, then the value of sin also increase 0 to 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, then 1. Okay, so sin theta increase. Cos theta for when 0 to 90, from 0 to 90 angle increase, then cos value is decrease. Okay, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0, this is decrease value. And for tan theta, when the angle increase, then the value of tan is always increase, 0, 1 by root 3, 1, then root 3. Okay, root 3 value is bigger than 1, then infinite. Okay, not defined, infinite. Okay, so this is increase. So first you write here the question number 1, sin theta when angle increase, sin theta increase. And 2, when theta increase, then cos theta decrease. Question number 3, theta increase, tan theta increase. Okay, now question number 10. If root 3 1.732, find the value of each of the following. First, sin 60 degree. We know sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So now we put the value of root 3, 1.732 by 2. Now we divide 1.732 by 2. So point will move here, so point is here. Now 2 8 ja 16, we bring down 1 and here 3, so 2 6 are 12, 1 and 2, 2 6 are 12. Okay, so this value is 0.866. okay, now question number 2, we can write this term 0.87. okay, after 6 here have 6, so we can write this term is 7. okay, now question number 2, 2y tan of 30 degree. okay, so 2y tan 31 by root 3, so 2 into, we can write this term root 3, so 2 into, now we put root 3 1.732. okay, so this will be 3.46. okay, 4. okay, now question number 11, evaluate. First question, cos of 3a minus 2 cos of 4a by sine of 3a plus 2 sine of 4a when a equals to 15 degree. Now we put the value of a, 3 into 15 minus 2 cos 4 into 15, okay, by sine 3 into 15 plus 2 sine 4 into 15. okay, so we can write cos of 3 into 15 45 minus 2 cos 4 into 15 60 by sine 3 into 15 45 plus 2 sine 4 into 15 60 cos 45 degree, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 minus 2 cos 60, we know 1 by 2, by sine 45 1 by root 2 minus sine 60 is root 3 by 2. okay, so now we simplify this term, 1 by root 2 minus 2 to cancel, this will be 1. okay, so 1 by root 2 minus 2 to cancel, this is root 3. okay, so here LCM root 2, so root 2 by root 2 1, 1 1 is 1 minus root 2 into 1, this will be root 2. okay, by LCM root 2 into root 2 root 2, root 2 by root 2 1, 1 1 is 1 minus root 2 into root 3, here you see root 2 into root 3, so we can write root 6. so 1 minus root 2 by root 2 into, you can write this term here root 2 by 1 minus root 6. okay, root 2 here cancel, so you can write 1 minus root 2 by 1 minus root 6. now here we use rationalization method, so we can write 1 minus root 6 into 1 plus root 6, so this is 1 plus root 6. now here 1 minus root 6, a minus b into a plus b, we know a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, so a is here a is 1 and b is root 6, so 1 minus b root 6 square, and this term will be 1 into 1. First we multiply 1 into 1, 1, then root 2 into 1, minus, plus, minus, root 2, root 6 plus 1, sorry, root 6 into 1. So this is root 6, and root 6 into root 2 plus minus minus 12. Okay. So here we will get root 2 plus root 6 minus root 12 by 1 minus root 6 square 6. So this will be minus 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Okay. So we can write minus 1 by 5. Here in the bracket we have root 2 plus root 6 minus root 12. Okay, and here minus 5. So we can write minus 1 by 5. 5 is in denominator. So now we multiply minus with this term, minus with this term, minus with this term, and minus with this term. Okay, so we will get 1 by 5 minus 1, here minus minus plus root 2, minus plus minus root 6, minus minus plus root 12. This is the answer. Okay, now question number 2. 3 sin 3b plus 2 cos 2b plus 5 degree, okay, by 2 cos 3b minus sine of 2b minus 10 degree. Okay, here b is 20 degree. So we put the value of b, sine 3 into sine 3 into 20 plus 2 cos 2 into 20 plus 5 degree. Okay, by 2 into cos of 3 into 20 minus sine 2 into 20 minus 10 degree. Okay, so this term will be sine 60, 3 into 20 60, plus 2 cos 2 into 20 40 plus 5 45, by 2 cos 3 into 20 60 minus sine of 2 into 20 40, 40 minus 10 30. Okay, so this is 30 degree, sine 30 degree. Okay, so 3 into sine 60 we know root 3 by 2 plus 2 cos 45 1 by root 2 by 2 into cos 60 we know 1 by, sorry, root 3 cos 60 is 1 by 2, yeah, cos 60 is 1 by 2 minus sine 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, so 2 2 here cancel. Now we will get 3 root 3 here in denominator 2 plus 2 root 2, here we will get root 2. So we can write root 2 by, this is 1 minus 1 by 2. So here LCM is 2. Now 2 by 2 1, 1 3 root 3 is 3 root 3 plus this is 2 into root 2. So we can write 2 root 2 by LCM 2, 2 1s are 2 minus 2 by 2 1, 1 1s are 1. So 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 by 2, and this is 1 by 2. So we can write 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 by 2, and this term will be here 2. Okay, 2 by 1, so 2 2 cancel. So we can write 3 by root 3 plus 2 root 2. this chapter is finished. Okay, so thank you.